Hi everyone, I am Leosar. In this video, I will give you ninja tricks for making an unlimited video using pictory.ai without using real email account. Let's start the video. I can make many more videos. You can watch Form Fiction Story playlist using iTools. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Go to the browser and search pictory.ai. Click on free trial options and the login interface is open. So we are not continue with Google, so we have to make a fake login account for making videos. So we need to fake email and generate from hi2.in. First we have to fill the user first name and last name. Copy the fake email form, fake mail bot, and paste in pictory.ai login interfaces. And make a strong password using uppercase, special character, and number. The password must be 8 characters and submit this form. And another page is open, and to fill the basic information. First, we need to click on personal use, again click on solo, and at last to click on content creator. So the account is ready. And we need a scripts for making videos. We can take a scripts from copy.ai, search short story scripts, copy the scripts and paste in pictory.ai, and click on processed. If we click on processed, it takes some time, and the video scene is create, and click on audio for applying on this video and choose a voice and click to generate a voice. The AI tools combine voice and video subtitle and merge a video. Finally complete all the process and generate a video. Check a video from preview. If video is good, to click on download. It takes some times and video is ready and play, or you have to upload in YouTube. So we have make a unlimited video following this process. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video, please comment in below.